Next, all of you, see, generally professor or any trainer, teacher, today personal branding is key. Okay, so you can create your own personal website and you can host with AI. You don't need any skills. Okay, so basically you can create your own website and you can host and you can share with anybody. Okay, by using a tool called as Bolt.new. Okay, Bolt.new will help you to create your own personalized website or e-commerce website, LMS, or any website you can create in no time. Within 15 minutes, you can create a full stack with backend also. Okay, within minutes, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And basically, if you have a team of engineers, they can work and they can give you the full functional website based on this. Or sometimes you can use this AI tool directly to create your own also. Okay, I'll be showing you. So this is a Bolt.new. So I want to create a personal website, based on my resume. Suppose if you have a bio or your resume, you can attach your bio or resume and you can create your own personal website in no time. I will tell you how to do it. Okay, right. So all of you go to Google and search for Bolt.new. Bolt.new. So this is AI tool, all of you, for building websites. So prompt, run, edit, and deploy full stack web and mobile apps in no time. Okay, right. So we need to attach your resume or bio. If you have a resume handy, you can upload that here. Or if you have your anything, a personal thing, you can upload file. So I'll be uploading my resume. So I'll be uploading Bapuji Ganpati resume. Right. So this is my personal website. I want to create personal website, so I uploaded resume. So we are going to create, give this prompt, create a personal website based on the resume attached. Create a personal website. Create a personal website based on the resume attached. So I want everyone to attach your resumes. So we are going to create our personal website simple. Okay, right. And no need to worry about deployments and all. Automatically it will be deployed. Okay, right. So create a personal website based on the resume attached. So you can share with your LinkedIn, other social media platforms, and also with other people also. You can keep in your company also can use this profile. Okay, right. So once you attach, create a personal website based on the resume attached. And then just you have to click on this. Just single prompt, one resume I have given. Automatically it will create. So it will be working for you now. Everyone, please see that it is running. So it is saying prompt too long. Okay, my website may be based on actually the resume is big resume. My resume is big, so it is saying that. Okay. So maybe all of us are using this. So we are getting a issue like that API is being used by many people. Yeah, now it is thinking. It started. Because there are different people with the same IP may be using. So see all of you how the website will be created. Beautiful website which cannot be created in day or 1 week or 1 month. Some people will take 2-3 months also with a price of 10 lakhs. That can be done now within 3 minutes. So it is creating everything. NPM it is installing. This is software. So no need to worry about all the software things. Okay. Just see how it will be created. So it will be creating automatically code, everything will be written for you. You have to wait for some time. It is creating all the source code required. Okay. It is working for you. Just wait all of you. Actually, it takes some time because it is creating different, yeah. like hero section, about section, experience section, skills, projects, education, contact details, everything will be updated. But you need to do some editing. I'll show you how to do it. Few things you need to edit for creating this. How many of you are doing this? How many of you are able to follow this? Creating your personal brand or website or anything. Okay, right. Okay. Others, anyone? Yeah, from yeah, okay. From researchers, community, teacher, training, teachers. Are you following? Yeah, actually it is not required. If it is asking for your login, just log in using your Gmail. Okay, it works. Log in using your Gmail, please. If it is asking for your login, I request everyone to log in using Gmail. Please do it off. Yeah. See, all of you, if there are people who knows basic web design or web, okay, they can build applications in no time. Okay. With this. Right, it's still creating. Let it be created. So hope everyone is doing this. So having a very good profile, website is good for any professor or a teacher to showcase what you are. Right, okay. It's taking some more time. Right, all of you. So yeah, it is taking some time. Let it be done. See, all of you, basically you are creating your website. Okay, so when you create, actually it will be creating a website like this. Okay, so you can change, you can edit. I'll tell you how to do that. There is a resume data file where you can just change the names, everything automatically. It will be changed here. So one code for multiple people can be done using this. This is how you'll be getting your website, all of you, right? You can deploy. There is a button called as deploy button. So when you click on deploy, automatically it will be deployed on service, post service. I'll be showing you how this deployment will happen also. After that, we'll be starting another important tool, copy.ai, for creating content. Okay, once we complete this, all of you. Right, so done, all of you. So this is the website created just now, but I don't see my name, okay, my profile, but somebody's is created here. All of you will see about me, experience, skills, projects, education, contact. Okay, so now I need to go to this code. In the code, my resume data is there. Resume data. So name, actually the resume data, if you go down, so if you see here, resume data is defined here at the 56th line. I don't know how you got yours. In the resume data.ts, I'll see my data here. So I'll change this Alex.Johnson. I'll replace with my name, Bapuji Kanpati. And then senior software, I will change mine. CEO, Huebits Tech Private Limited. Huebits Tech Private Limited. See, you have to go to code, all of it. There are two options, preview and code. So I went into the code, and then in the data, I see resume data.ts. In this, I see all this data. Images, actually, I have to provide my image link here. Okay, so if you can upload to pixels, and you can give that link also. Any image link works. So you have to provide your image link, then it works, all of it. And then email ID, provide your email ID. So I'll be providing my email ID here. I don't want to fill all the details because it will take some time. Okay, just see here, and the URL. I'll be keeping www.huebits.in. This is my company URL of it. And then here, passionate trainer. I'm researcher in IoT, data, AI, CEO and co-founder, CEO and founder of a company. So just you can type anything here, and your city. My city Vizag, and country code you can provide here. I don't know, country code IN. Okay. So and then you can see the profile, like network, like if you have a GitHub, provide username and then GitHub URL. And the LinkedIn profile, if you have the LinkedIn profile, provide username of the LinkedIn and also LinkedIn URL. Okay, so likewise you have to provide, but always remember to save, otherwise it won't work. I saved it. Once I save, if you go to preview, now you can see Bapuji Kambati, CEO Huebits Tech Private Limited. Okay, so you can see my results. All of you can see here. And if you see deployment, so you can click here deploy. When we deploy, the deployment will happen in Netlify. So this is actually a platform where our deployment is happening. Automatically deployment also will happen. So this is a platform where deployment is happening. So scale and ship faster with the composable web architectures. So this is actually hosting platform. We are doing directly Bolt is connected to that platform. So it is publishing, hosting there. Okay, you can build any app in no time, as I told you. So this is my URL of you. So I can share it anybody. Okay, this works for anybody. I can give this link. So automatically this is my website. You can see how wonderful it is. If you want to create this beautiful website, how much time you will take? See all of you, right? So this is how you can do it. Okay, so this is a personal website I created just now. Okay, but I need to add all the details. So in the resume data, you have to add all, right? So I have to change this data, all the data we have to change. I did not change everything, just I have changed up to this one. But other data you have to change. Once you change the data, you will get everything like this. Okay, right, all of you, your contact page. And they can submit and you will get the data. So there are some APIs you need to create and work if you want to build a backend also, right, all of you. So how many of you love this? How many of you love this? Yes. How many of you love this, all of you? Okay, right. So in no time, you can create your beautiful websites. You can create your images. Okay, so even developers cannot do this much design, best design. Okay, so front end, you can see the front end, how best it is. So I want professors also to respond. Yeah, so I want everyone to respond. It is my kind request if you're able to understand this. Yeah, okay, Arvind Kumar. Others? Everyone, do you like this? Yeah, just give me some energy, all of you. Okay, give me some energy. Yeah, okay, 10% energy given. Oh, I need 90 more. Give me some energy. This is the evening, right? Okay, right. What about others? Yeah, madams and sirs, you please give me some energy. Okay, right. Okay, yeah. Thank you. We'll go forward. See, all of you, this is not just for personal websites. Remember, if your college wants college website or department website or some project website, you can do it in no time. You need some data, provide the data, what you want to tell. Automatically you will create it. Now this is shareable. Okay, this link is shareable, all of you. Okay, so I want everyone here to create and share if possible. Okay, having a personal website is great. Okay, for a professor or for any employee, right, all of you. This is actual credibility for you, right? So we'll go to the next, all of you. I'll show you next steps. Okay, there are many tools we need to learn it. Okay, so far we have seen different tools and technologies. So we gone through this Bolt.new, okay, which is very helpful for creating websites and deploying websites in no time. Even you can generate, you can export the code and you can give it to the developers can use that code. Okay, suppose if you go here, there is a export option. All of you can see the export option, right? So you can export here and download code. You can just download code, all of you can use it in your VS Code also, right? And also integrations. Suppose you want to integrate payment, you can use this. If you want to manage versions of your website, you can use GitHub. I don't know much about Supabase. Okay, Supabase, it's a database or H functions. So you can use them. Okay, right, all of you. So we'll move forward. Okay, with other tools.